Okay, this after I paid with the term partially. Okay, the status is not changed to the pending. It's still upcoming term, even though I have already refreshed the page and check it here. Okay, there is information about the partial pending, but the term is not changed to the pending status. Okay, get this after I check in the my mailbox or check the pay and to. Okay, here when I access the payment of term. Okay, it's already it, but when I check in my file financial document, I check by my terms. Look at this, still pending. Okay, the status is pending. Okay, even though I have already the pay with the partially. I check in here the status in the financial document for this term is still upcoming term, even though I have already partially paid for this term.